Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm again with another haul, but this time the haul is of all about the nails. Okay, everyone would like to have a beautiful nail with done nice nail art. So I have bought couple of things from Club Factory again, taking only for the nail art. So let's get started without wasting any time. I've bought couple of stamping pads just to try and see. I bought 4 types of stamping pads and some acrylic patterns of like fruits and animals. Yeah, so it has got 100 pieces, cost around like 200 rupees, and it has got around 100 pieces in this. So I think it'll really go for a long way. And the second thing which I bought is this stamper. Last time I had bought a kit of this sort of scrapping pad. This makes mark when you swipe, remove the excess. I don't know if you can see, but I think can you see over here the lines, guys? So this is a big no, never use these to swipe the excess nail polish. And the other one, before the old one, I had bought this pattern. It is really very amazing. As you can see, I have used it to the core. It has got beautiful pattern and it does a very great job. I really love this. So I bought some more stuffs for that, and this is the right way of using to swipe out the excess. This is a very soft one than that, and the best part is you can see over here where you're exactly stamping and how much you want to stamp. So you can double stamp it taking this. This is a silicone one based, and it's really very squishy and soft, and I'm sure it's going to give a very nice result. So I will make a tutorial very soon taking these equipments. And the next thing which I have purchased is this one. This time I was like so obsessed with the butterfly things. I've bought so much of nature and butterfly stuff, flowers and all that stuff, and this is costing 121 rupees. It has got a very nice print. See, there is a butterfly, there is a nice sort of flower leaves and all that. This has got nice patterns which I really liked it. So I bought this one, nail art, stamping nail art. And the next one which I have bought is costing 195 rupees. This is another one, again taking nature. It has got butterfly, lots of butterfly patterns, leaf, flowers and all that stuff. I don't know, I was like very much obsessed with it. So I just bought this one. There are many other stamping pads as well. So this one is costing again 179, and this is one more pattern. This has got a very nice detailed pattern which I really liked it. It is like so much detail, very beautiful, very different. I really like this one, so I bought that. And the next one is again costing 179. So yeah, again, if you can see, butterfly shoes. I actually bought this stamping pad for only 2 things which I saw and I really liked it. One is this shoe. I hope you can see. This is really very much beautiful. I don't know, I got stuck with that one thing, and I like this pattern a lot. I don't know what is this called as, but it's like looks like all leaf like got together and that. So I really like these 2 patterns so much that I bought this one, and it has got very other nice one, but it's again relating to nature, like leaves, flowers and net sort of pattern and stuff. So yeah, so these were the 4 which I had purchased this time, and they all are amazing. And this one, this nail art of acrylic, this was this acrylic fruits, which is really sliced already. The thin ones will fit very nicely. If it is a little bit thicker one, you need to be putting the top coat very nicely, or else it will come out, it won't bend to your nail shape and stick on it. And the stamping, to do an overlapping one, this time I've learned a little bit of a technique of how to really do the stamping nail art. So I will try and show you. I've already tried once, first time when I did, it was not that good enough, but it was first time. So who cares? So I will link that video down in the description box below. Just check it out, that video as well. So this is a really good one. I don't remember how much this costed. I just will put it down on the below on the screen or else on the description box. And yeah, I think on the last video I had shown the nail remover pads. These are really very thin, but okay, it does a decent job, so it's worth it. So I bought that last time. And this too, I had bought it before, couple of months before. I will put the video of this also below. So this also is a great pattern. I loved it. And these two are the ones which I bought it down to one of the store where I saw it. So this is a dotting tool. This is like very small dotting tool, and other side it is a little bit thicker one, and it costed me around just 45 rupees. So I just bought one. I didn't go to buy much because you can use bobby pins, you can use pencil, you can use pen tip. And this one I picked it from Amazon a couple of months back. I really don't know it's there or not. I'll just check it out and put it down in the description box below, like is it available or the stock is over. So this is like, it has got different sort of stuff. It is like having a purple heart, acrylic flower, green beads, pink stars, rhinestones, and again it has got beautiful purpley blue white mixture of got a blue star, peachy star, purple diamonds, bright pink star, small golden pearls. So this you can, mix and match according to your dress or to your function, or just according to your nail color, whatever you have got to. So this is the collection which I have got. It's pretty little, not much, but you can do amazing designs and pattern out of it. You can overlap one another the other. I hope you like my video. If you did like, please hit on my subscribe button and hit on the bell icon as well, so that you can come to know the new videos whenever I upload. Comment down below if you want me to show you exactly like what sort of nail arts you want to see. So yeah, see you guys. Bye. Love you.